Okay, so let's see. So we used, oh, this is agent detect. Wrong one. Okay, so this is telling me the debugger is saying in line 11, the operator equals equals cannot be applied to types of Boolean and block grass. That's fine. So, and I actually picked the wrong one because I picked agent detect instead of agent inspect. All right, so let's get that out of the way. Okay, let's put this back up. Let's go back to the agent drawer. Agent detect, agent inspect, inspects a block. Okay, right? So here's another case where it's important to, watch which code snippet you pick. Okay, if agent inspect block forward. Now, can I say block? This is what I want to say. Grass, all caps, grass down. Okay, so this is also wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and make this block again. So the syntax is incorrect. And this time I'm going to try the equals equals grass. And I have caps lock on. Grass. All right, no problems. That's awesome. Let's go ahead and, again, Control A, Control C. I'm going to come back to my, I'm going to get rid of this and paste over it. So I'm just looking for, where is it? Agent inspect. Okay, good. I have the code now, and I'm here. I'm going to hit play. I'm going to cross my fingers. I'm going to make sure I'm watching. Come on. Yes! Yay! I think we did it. I think we did it. How awesome. Look at it. Our agent is just speeding along, getting its work done. And guess what, everybody? We are about 10 blocks away from completing lesson 8. Thank you for your help. All right. Oh, yay, yay, yay. Fireworks. Hooray. We did it. So I guess what I'll do is I'll see you on the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.